Hi everyone, it's Dr. Miriam Gikonyo once again, consultant pediatric dentist, situated at Genial Care Dental Suite, which is on the second floor of Jennifer Area Hub. Today we want to talk about dental fluorosis. It's a common condition affecting many children in Nakuru County and also its environs. So what is dental fluorosis? It's a developmental disturbance of the enamel caused by systemic exposure to high fluoride content when a child is developing. So how does dental fluorosis present itself? It can be mild or moderate or severe depending on the frequency of exposure of the fluoride, the amount of fluoride, and also the duration that the child is exposed to the high fluoride. So dental fluorosis usually affects younger children when the teeth are developing, when they're exposed to high fluoride content that is available in the water, both cooking and drinking. It's also available in the foods that are being grown in areas with high fluoride content. These are children who are still developing, younger children who are still developing, when they are exposed to systemic fluoride. So there has to be the intake of the high fluoride content either in water or in the food that has been cooked by such water that has high fluoride content. Some of the effects of fluorosis include aesthetics. Most of these children present with low self-esteem. They are unable to smile or talk effectively because of the discoloration on their teeth. They may also complain of sensitivity. Such children are also prone to developing cavities, especially when they have severe fluorosis because of the breakdown of the food substances, because of the breakdown of the tooth structure, and so they are unable to brush effectively. And there's also loss of tooth structure, especially for severe fluorosis. So what are some of the methods that we can take in order to be able to prevent dental fluorosis in children? Number one, it's always good to be mindful about the water that you're using at home for both cooking and also drinking. Some of the waters that you can recommend is rainwater. But if you are using borehole water at home, there are some certain things that you can recommend. For instance, installing a reverse osmosis filter for both cooking and drinking water at home. So management of dental fluorosis may differ depending on the child and also the severity of the fluorosis. It's always important to visit your dentist so that they can have a proper look at your child's teeth and be able to advise on the proper management depending on the severity of the fluorosis that your child has. Visit us today at Genial Care Dental Suite, situated on the second floor of Jennifer Area Hub, to be able to get a comprehensive examination for your child and also proper advice on ways to manage dental fluorosis in your child.